Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman, and welcome back to another Sawblade.com tech tip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your guide upgrade kit for your Delta 14-inch bandsaw. Whenever you receive your kit, it should include four things: your lower guide assembly, your upper guide assembly, your new blade guard, and a set of Allen head bolts to make installation a lot easier. Before we get started, I wanted to make a note that we did go ahead and take the liberty in taking off the bandsaw table, the blade, and of course the factory guides to make installation a lot easier. If you need assistance in disassembly of your machine, log on to www.sawblade.tv for the previous video. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to put on the blade guard. I want to make a note that if you've upgraded your machine with the riser block, you need to get the slotted blade guard. That way you can add your extension on later. To assist us, we're going to need an 1/8 inch Allen wrench. First, we're going to slide the blade guard up about halfway onto the post, making sure it's loosened up the stops. We're going to tighten the stops down just to their snug because we're going to have to readjust it later. All right, now we can put on our upper guide assembly. Make sure that the stops are loose and slide the cup onto the bottom of the post. Just snug them, and let's make sure it's straight to the front of the machine. And go ahead and fasten them down. With the upper guide assembly fastened, we can now go ahead and adjust our height for our blade guard. You want it to about 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch from the top of the cup. And go ahead and fasten it down. With the upper guide assembly fastened and the blade guard, we can now move on to the lower guide assembly. With the Allen head bolts provided in your kit, start out by assembling the back bolt first. That way we can align our guide up and down. Just getting it snug. Now we can put on the front bolt, making sure that our guides are horizontal. And make sure it's nice and square. All right, now we can go ahead and fasten them down. Now you have successfully installed your guide upgrade kit for your Delta 14-inch machine. For reassembly and proper adjustment of your guides, log on to www.sawblade.tv for more instructions. I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and thank you for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.